Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you are doing well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to our NIEVS Home School. This is Marjia Islam, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Now I am going to take a General Science class for class Junior 1. Our lecture number 4, SW number 4, and our today's topic, Chapter 3, Reading Done. My dear students, our chapter name, Living and Non-Living. Page 10. Our today's topic, page 10 and page 11, reading done. Chapter 3, chapter name is Living and Non-Living Thing. Which of these are living things? Here is some pictures. Now can you identify which of these are living things? Point out the non-living things. Here many pictures. Can you see? This picture is horse. This is living or non-living? My dear students, can you tell me this is living or non-living things? This is living things. And this is pot. This is living or non-living things? This is non-living things. Now here this is a picture. This picture is a dog. Can you say what is this? This is living or non-living? This is living things. Now here is a man. Man is a living thing. Here is a man. Man is a living thing. This picture is a car. This is non-living thing. This is non-living thing. Now this is bird. This is a picture of bird. Bird is a living thing. Bird is a living thing. Here look at the picture. Girls, look at the picture. Girls and boys, every students, look at the picture. The picture is a pencil and scissors. This is non-living thing. This is non-living thing. Now go to the next picture. Can you see the picture? The picture is a bulb. This is light. This is non-living thing. Now go to the next picture. This picture is a sunflower tree. This picture is sunflower tree. We know every trees are living things. So this is living thing. Now this is hammer. This is non-living thing. Go to the next picture. This is butterfly. The butterfly is living thing. Now this is a picture of drum. This picture is drum. This is non-living thing. My dear students, now go to the next page. This is sofa. This is picture of sofa. Have you seen the sofa? This picture is sofa. This is non-living thing. This is hippo. This is living thing. And this is fish. This is fish. Fish is living thing. We know fish is living thing. Now go to the next picture. This is bird. Bird is a living thing. Bird is a living thing. Now go to the next picture. This is ice cream. This is ice cream. Ice cream is a non-living thing. Now the next picture is pen. This is a picture of pen. This is non-living thing. Now this is a tree. This picture is tree. This is living thing. My dear student, this is living thing, and this picture is teapot. This picture is teapot. This picture is teapot. This is non-living thing. Now this is boat. Boat. This is the picture of boat. This is non-living thing. This is a man. The man is a living thing. The man is a living thing. My dear students, I repeat the whole page. This is sofa. Sofa is non-living thing. This is hippo. This is living thing. This is fish. Fish is a living thing. And this is bird. Bird is a living thing. This is ice cream. Ice cream is a non-living thing. And this is pen. Pen is a non-living thing. And this is tree. Tree is a living thing. This is teapot. Teapot is a non-living thing. This is boat. Boat is a non-living thing. And here this picture is a man. Man is a living thing. Now make a table. The left side is living thing and the right side is non-living thing. Here you write here some living things name and you write here some non-living thing. This is your homework. You will submit this table in the next Saturday. Here you make a table. At first you make a table, then left side you write living thing and right side you write a non-living thing. Here is a list of living thing and here is a list of non-living thing. Now this first one is bird. Bird is a living thing, and the second one is in fish. Fish is also living thing, and the third one is tree. Tree is a living thing, and the fourth one is man. Man is a living thing, and this is hippo. Hippo is a living thing. Now here is the list of non-living thing. The non-living thing, the first one is drum, second pen, third ice cream, fourth board, and fifth sofa. My dear students, our homework number 4 is page 11. This table is our next Saturday's homework. You will submit next Saturday this homework. My dear students, I hope you have understood today's topic. See you again in the next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.